Oh, for the third successive time. Very risky.
Oh, don't worry, Miss Sally, his bark is worse than his bite. Skinny loves to provoke a quarrel, that's all. By the way, I never would have thought that I could find you in the saloon.
Oh, me neither, Reverend. Miss Shirley wanted me to meet her life mate. It won't happen again?
Oh, don't get me wrong, I don't blame you for it, Miss Sally.
You wanted to speak to me, Reverend?
Oh right, Miss Sally. See, I was reflecting about the future, and, oh well, our heart-to-heart conversation, lately in our church. See, I even thought it through, and it helped me to come to the realization that it would be reasonable, responsible, and decent, if... Did you ever think about getting married? How do you feel about this?
Sorry, Reverend, I don't quite follow. Oh, now I'm starting to comprehend. You think that I am not living in sin, Reverend?
By God, Miss Sally. Who am I, to... Oh no, I didn't mean to reprove you, no, I was thinking, if you wouldn't mind. See, I am contemplating marriage. In fact, with you, Miss Sally.
What? Whoa, I didn't see that coming. Why is that? I mean...
I would phrase it differently, why ever not? The teacher and the reverend. Downright perfect?
Oh no, downright lie. Or do you feel attracted to me, Reverend?
Oh well, not yet, but what I'm trying to say, you are pretty, you are smart, and things can always change.
I can't believe the things you say. See, I don't want to enter into a marriage of convenience. That's neither an option nor a solution, and you are well aware of that. Excuse my plain speaking, Reverend? But aren't you in love with one of Dorothy's girls? What are you afraid of, Reverend? The citizens of Cozy? Your church community? God? Or plain and simple yourself?
See, Miss Sally. That won't be simple.
I know that. Sad but true. But a question arises. Do you love her?
Yes, I love her. I love Hope. With all my heart.
See, it's that simple. You love her, that's the only thing that matters.
You are right, it was pathetic to follow the path of least resistance, shame on me. And what about you, Miss Sally? Are you still fond of the man of the tribe?
More than ever.
It will not be easy as well?
Yes, that may very well be, Reverend. I can't get him out of my head since I met him. And at least since last night I know for sure that he's the one. Believe me, he's worth it, whatever betide.
Hey, splendid shot, grandson. I know, grandpa, that was really lousy. Oh no, grandson, I mean it, splendid shot. Besides, don't worry, we shot a deer, and what a doozy. No one has to suffer from hunger tonight. And moreover, I guess your pack horse is truly grateful. I quite believe it, but the thing is that, see, I promised Lucy to bring along a deer, therefore I will stay a while longer. Go home with them, Deft Hand. I guess you can't wait to see Sally again. You are absolutely right there, but this is quite out of the question. We plan to go hunting for deer this morning. We go ahead with this, you will slay a deer for your woman. Alright? Alright, I really appreciate that. And what about you, Deft Hand? Do you also have the intention to impress your woman? Yeah, sure, I have the intention to impress my woman, but not with a shot animal. See, I already brought her a dead turkey and I had a feeling that she was not overly fond of this kill.
Blossom told me that you also gifted her a rug, one of Blossom's rugs.
Yeah, that's true.
See, I was wondering, oh well, you know that I am making jewelry, beautiful jewelry. The thing is, I thought to myself, why are you not interested in the things I am making? Jewelry would be the perfect present for the woman you love. Don't you think?
See, Joy, actually I was thinking about it. But I'm not sure. Maybe it is too much or too soon or whatever. I don't want to be pushy, I don't want to overwhelm her.
What? Too much, too soon, pushy? Overwhelmed yet, but with emotion. She will be absolutely delighted with the gift and with you? Especially with you? A gift for me? Again, really? I don't know what to say. Did Joy make the rug? I got to know Shirley today and she mentioned her. Shirley's wonderfully beautiful necklace is also made by Joy.
Alright, Joy, show your jewelry to me. Will you? Jewelry is always a good choice, grandson. Believe me, I know from experience. Your grandmom, for instance, did not care for dead animals. Oh, your young grandmom, beautiful and pampered.
What do you think, Rose? Olive, oh, my dress suits you, Carol. You should keep it, yet I want you to keep it. You look gorgeous, Anthony will like it. By the way, where is he, Carol? Oh, he and his brothers are still by the river, doing their laundry. Believe me, Rose, they are not really into it. Between you and me, girls, they are slow and clumsy. And in a bad mood. Rose, I'm so happy we may stay at your place, temporary, of course. I feel very secure, and I like you all, very, yeah, very much. And we all like you, Carol. You and the guys, am I right, Olive? Olive?
Oh, your shadow, Chris. I know, isn't that great? Obviously she can't live without me.
Oh, Olive darling, he needs room to breathe. Oh, Carol, she doesn't give him a minute's rest. Yes, that can't be denied, but don't worry. I have a feeling that he enjoys her attention to the fullest.
Hello dear loved ones, we are back, and as you can see we were highly successful. Tonight we will celebrate a festival. First things first, who can help me eviscerate the deer? Sorry to break it to you baby bro, but obviously this dead animal is even more interesting than you. Who would have thought that? Oh, you need to know, Chris, that our Olive is a warrioress, a huntress, and she loves to eviscerate her prey. Oh yeah Chris, that's a meaningful information, after all you are her prey as well. Yeah sure dude, very funny. Laughing my ass off, just saying baby bro. Hey, I just put 2 and 2 together. Yeah sure smart ass. Hey shut up. Sorry, I don't understand. She wants you to try it, Chris. Try what? In the sense of taste? She actually wants me to eat that? Yes. If so, enjoy your meal, little brother. Aha, you want me to try? Oh, thank you so much, Olive, but no, maybe later, when it's roasted. Hey Chris, what's up? I really thought that you are eager to try out new things. I mean, look at her, isn't she lovely? Believe it or not douche, even I have my limits. Ah sorry guys, I was mistaken. She wants feral pony to taste? What? No. I'm not hungry yet. Sorry Olive, later, when I'm hungry. And when we light a fire. Are you satisfied? After all, you are today's most successful hunter. You got that right, I'm even highly pleased. Hopefully Lucy will be satisfied with this gift. Oh, most certainly, don't worry. Are you coming with me back to our place? No, I'm riding straightway to Lucy. Olive must not see our prey. Yeah right, she may be tempted to eviscerate your prey. Besides, it is your prey, wild horse. Not ours. Hey, you may be proud of yourself. Oh thank you Deft Hand. That means a lot to me.
Oh great! You actually shot a deer for me?
I promised you a deer. That's why I tried my best.
You tried your best? Oh Thomas, don't make me laugh. Look at that deer, it is gigantic. You are modest, as always. You should be proud of yourself. I'm proud of you, Thomas.
See, I'm satisfied. When you are satisfied, Lucy, that's the main thing, making you happy. Howdy, Miss Lucy. I hope you are doing well. Kindly tell me, miss, is this guy harassing you?
What kind of stupid question is this, Skinny Phil? Say, does it look that way? He brought me this deer. Why would he harass me?
Oh well, after all, he's one of them. And every single one of them is, well, sneaky and dishonest. You can't trust them, Miss Lucy.
One of them? Them? The tribe? The natives? Hey, I must be hearing things. Get lost, you have no business here. I have no use for such people.
Oh, calm down, I'm only trying to help.
You are trying to help? What insolence! Just so you know, Bird Brain, he is my future husband. And it makes me burst with pride. Because he's the best one could possibly imagine.
This is not happening. What a looking glass world. By the way, I know you. You are Big Brave Bear's grandson, am I right? I wish you all the very best, Miss Lucy.
I suggest not to show up again. I assure you next time I will shoot at you.
You know what, girl, I bet, obviously you turned into one of them. It was bound to happen.
Aha, you don't say. Believe it or not, for me that is a compliment, baloney brain. People like you are a real shame. I would feel ashamed of myself, Skinny.
Well, Lucy, calm down, it's not worth the trouble. I must admit though that I feel honored. And flattered. You come through for me and my family.
Yeah, but of course, that goes without saying. I will go to all lengths to protect my beloved ones.